Hello and welcome to Bailey's Digital Open House for 2019-2020 school year. My name is Corey Trosclair. I'm the Project Lead the Way instructor for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. A little bit about myself. I'm an 8th year teacher, 7th year at Bailey Middle School, originally from New Orleans, Louisiana. Have a bachelor's and a master's in different forms of education. Been married for 4 years, have one dog. My classroom is a very interactive, kinesthetic, and technology-rich classroom. There's tons of inference, questioning, and critical thinking involved, and students are expected to figure out answers, and failure is perfectly acceptable and is expected, which is a good thing. For grading materials, students have a 35% grade, which is informal, and a 65% grade, which is formal. These usually come in the form of either informal is mostly everything, formal are a few project submissions throughout the year. An assignment has a set due date and will all be submitted through Canvas. Students will always have plenty of class time to complete assignments in school long before they're given homework. I generally don't assign homework. Homework is only if a kid does not complete something in my class. If for some reason a computer or internet access is not available at home, please make me aware through an email and we can work something out. Every student will also use Project Lead the Way website for their textbook, which is an e-text, and Canvas, which is an online system for the submissions. Some secondary websites may be used for coding, such as the MIT App Inventor for 7th grade and the Make Code for 6th grade. If you're a 6th grade student or parent, 6th grade is called Innovators and Makers, which is like an introduction to physical computer science. Children code interactive devices and blocks at the website shown there. They'll also learn computational thinking through algorithms and flowchart building, a lot of pair programming to encourage students to work together. There's also STEM exploration and other various coding websites that we'll use, such as Hour of Code, throughout the year. 7th graders are going to be making apps through App Creators, which is a Android-based system. It's an online website that doesn't require anyone to have any software downloaded, and you can see it there. It's basically App Inventor in Google if you search it. Students will learn through blocks to code interfaces, to use build interfaces, and to design interfaces to make fully functioning apps that they can test out. Most of the apps they'll be using have a biological or medical focus for real-world application. Finally, new this year is 8th grade, which is design and modeling. They'll design and build working prototypes for various reasons, functional items, toys. Students have actually already completed a working prototype for a foot orthosis for a student that maybe has cerebral palsy. They'll learn to sketch using isometric graph paper. They'll have to do multi-view sketches or Cartesian graph paper, and then they'll have to 3D model the sketches and measure them. Very soon we'll begin operating with rulers and dial calipers to attain precise measurements. They'll use 3D modeling software and math-based 3D modeling software, SketchUp and GeoGebra respectively. They'll also be able to print some of their 3D models or learn algorithmically how to build certain puzzle blocks. For example, there's a project where students will make a puzzle cube in this class. These are just a few of the things to expect. 8th grade is a very good example of what an introduction to engineering would look like at the middle school level. That's all from me. Hope you have a nice open house and a nice night. Thank you.